Put away that fat juicy burger because this year we're in the New Year's resolution mode. New year, new me. I want to get healthy. I want to get fit. So put away the bacon. Put away the cookies. Today we're going to make something full of protein, full of omega-3s. We don't have to actually fry it. We don't have to cook it. It's a no-bake recipe. So here's to me trying to help you keep your resolution. So let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy. First thing we want to do is boil 1 cup of water. Once that cup is boiling, turn off your stove. And we're going to need some pitted dates. We're going to put those in our boiling water, cover it up, and put it off to the side. Now, so that you can see, these were pitted dates. I'm using 9 ounces of the dates. And what we're going to do with the dates is make a paste out of it. Excuse me for a second. So this is only 5 ingredients. Peanut butter, quick oats, dates, flaxseed, coconut oil. Sorry guys, I haven't eaten all day, so I had to grab a quick snack. So this is 9 ounces of dates that I'm using. We're just going to let it sit off to the side. We're going to let the boiling water, well, the hot water, seep into the dates. Next thing we need is a bowl. Get yourself a nice sized bowl. In this bowl, we're going to put some quick cooking oats. 3 cups. We also need some ground flaxseed. Not regular flaxseed. We need it grounded. The reason being is because this, as it's grounded, will allow the body to absorb the nutrients much, much better as opposed to it being in regular seed form. We need some coconut oil, but let me show you. In its current form, looks like regular coconut pieces in there. So we don't want that in our mixture. We want it in its liquid form. So heat up 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil. Creamy peanut butter, not crunchy peanut butter. So what I've done is I've microwaved it just a little bit, just to warm it up a little bit. And what we're going to aim for is roughly 1/2 cup or so of warm peanut butter. What we're going to do is we're going to make our paste now. So what we need to do is take our soaking dates, put them in a blender. Let's start blending. Looks just like butter. So let's get this paste in here. Now, if you want to wear gloves for this, that's fine. But all we got to do is mix this in. It's a little warm, but it's not hot to the touch. So I'm just going to stir this up. It's a little messy. Oats are flying everywhere. Hands are sticky. But it's alright. As you stir and mix, it'll become a little bit more manageable to work with. And what we're looking to do is make little balls. Kind of like bite-sized balls. Little messy, but it's going to be well worth it when we're looking for a quick snack. Because we want to stay away from that garbage. Who wants to eat chocolate bars when you can have a yummy ball right in your hand, right in the palm of your hand, a yummy ball. Who needs chips when you got a yummy ball right there in your hand? So just keep forming them. And when we're done, we're going to go ahead and stick this in the fridge so that the oils can solidify and the balls can maintain their round shape. Now, I did say earlier that this is 5 ingredients. Now, if you opted to use your hands and you're one of those that walks around poking your nose all day, we don't want a 6th ingredient in here, so make sure you wash your hands. Once it comes out the fridge, 20-30 minutes of it refrigerating, it'll be time to plate up. So if you're tired of eating snacks, garbage snacks that is, this is a quick recipe. Healthy, full of proteins, omega-3s, and easy to make. No bake, healthy energy balls. I hope you guys stick to your New Year's resolution, and I'll see you guys next week here on Cook! Don't be lazy.